In this video, we will show you how to replace your power steering pump pulley on this Honda Accord. Let's get into it. All right, friend, let's get started on our job. Before you start removing anything, it's important to take note of your belt routing. You'll find that it goes over some pulleys and around along the backside of others. Now that you've taken note of that, we'll look directly underneath the power steering pump pulley. That's where you're going to find your tensioner pulley. Use a 14 millimeter. Turn it clockwise to release tension. Once we've done that, we'll take the belt and slide it off of the power steering pump pulley. Now here's where you want to be careful so you don't get stuck in any pinch points. Here's where you want to be careful for any pinch points. We'll set the belt aside without removing it from any pulleys. At this point, we can start removing the pulley from the power steering pump. You'll find that you have a 19 millimeter nut that you will have to remove. To prevent this from spinning when you're turning the nut counterclockwise, you can use a small pry bar in and through the holes on the pulley and then rest it up against something, being careful not to damage the seal on the power steering pump pulley. Take hold of the pulley, give it a wiggle, and remove it from the pump. We're being extremely careful not to damage the power steering pump in this process. With the pulley off of the power steering pump, give the pump shaft and seal an inspection. We're looking to see if anything looks like it's damaged or if the seal itself is leaking in any way. If it is, you're going to want to replace the power steering pump. This one looks fine, so we can continue on with our installation. Let's get ready to install our power steering pump pulley. We'll take this and we'll slide it over the shaft on the power steering pump, being extremely careful not to damage the belt by having it pinched inside this area. With that slid onto the splines of the power steering pump, we'll continue on with our mounting nut. At this point, you want to hold the pump pulley still and snug that nut. Let's torque this to 47 foot-pounds. Now we can take the belt and we'll carefully start putting it up and around the power steering pump pulley. While holding pressure on this, confirm that it is still sitting around each and every pulley as it needs to be. Use the 14 millimeter. We'll turn this clockwise so we can release the tension and continue sliding it over the power steering pump pulley. Get our tool out of here. Let's just quickly double check to make sure we are over each and every pulley as needed. Once you've done that, make your way into the passenger compartment. Start up the vehicle, let it run for 5 seconds and turn it right back off. Make your way back out here and triple check the belt one last time. If it's off one of the pulleys by even one tooth, it's going to destroy the belt and could potentially cause other damage. Assuming that looks good, close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.